Hello, artists. Today we're going to be working on our abstract shape movie poster. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how you need to start this project and the steps you can take to get your movie poster on our Google slide here and to answer our reflection and artist statement questions. Now, this is a project that is going to take a movie poster and turn it into more of an abstract shape project. We've got all of these designs, all of these colors here, and we're kind of going to reduce them down to a more simple form. First thing that you want to do is get your movie poster, the original one, on the page. And we're mostly going to be using these up here, the shape tools and some of the text tools and maybe some of the colors. Now, let's start by going large and working smaller. First, let's capture the shape of the poster itself and the color of the poster itself. Notice I'm using my shape tool to just directly make a copy of the poster's size. I'm going to move it over to the side, and I'm going to try to get that background color. That background color is a nice blue, so let's go there. I think that'll work. We want to work from the background to the foreground. We want to work what's in the background of the poster first. So let's try getting in those clouds. We don't have to do all of them, but they're pretty defining. Now, what we want to do is kind of see what shape it is. I know it's round, but those look like triangles to me. So we're going to make some triangles with those using the shape tool. Make sure that it's white. Move it over. Now, here's the thing. Notice I didn't really get it to be exactly where it needs to be, but this is how we rotate. So we go up to here on the shape tool until it turns into a plus sign, and we can rotate it on its side. So I'm going to put this one right here on the side of the poster. And even then, we can actually extend them out if we want as well. So I'm going to extend this out just a bit, like that. Okay. Now, how about we do that one down there? Again, just as best as we can, matching that shape that we've got, moving it over to where it needs to be, rotating it. Using our shape tools, I think I'll change up on the type of, there we go. That one's much better. I like that one. Make sure that it's white, move it over. I think I'm just going to get that last one because there's a lot of space here for things that we can capture. Let's go ahead and get that last small one in. Try my best to get the same shape. Rotate it. Oh, that didn't work out too well. Let's try again on that. Shape. Triangle. Yeah. It works out. Now, we've got the background for our poster. Oh, wait. Okay. Here's something. I can notice how there's this black line on there. That black line isn't there. So that is this right here, the border color. We actually want that to be transparent for this part. Make sure to notice if there is a outline on your projects. Now, let's get this right here, that big airplane. And I think we can just get that. We don't need to have the curve in there. I think we can just get that with a nice rectangle. Yeah, let's do that. Put it right here. Make it that nice red color. I think that works. Yeah, very nice. Now, inside of this, we do have a choice if we'd like to very simply make a text box and write in the title of our piece. Make it, oh, nope. Make it simple. You don't want it to be too complicated or too complex. Just simple. Let's make it a little bigger so it fits in. Oh, I forgot the exclamation point. Boop. Now we gotta make it a little smaller so it fits. There we go. And we move it so that it is nice and centered. Now, we've got to capture a more complicated form with the airplane right here. So I can notice that there are the wings, the body of the airplane, and this kind of loop-de-loop, this knot that's in it. So what I'm going to do is first the body of the airplane. So let's get that with a rectangle. Now what I'm going to do is kind of just get the general rectangle first, and then rotate it so it fits. Yeah, that looks like it'll be good. And this does have that outline, so we're going to move that over here. Try our best to match where it's going to be. Now, let's get that. Actually, let's get in the wings first. Let's do some. That's interesting. I wonder how we're going to do. Let's see what we can do with this one, actually. Oh, whoops. Okay. Let's delete these first. And let's add in this one, actually. How about that? Add it over here. Get another triangle. Add it over here. Now notice again, the whole point of the project is kind of to see what you can do with the different shapes. Let's rotate it a little bit. Now this is going to be a little more tricky. I know I need to get a circle for this one. So let's do the circle for the big part first. Let's get it white. Let's put it right there where it needs to go. And then I can see another circle and another circle. So let's get those in as well. Another circle. Fits. A little bit out. And our last circle. Right there. Like that. Now, we've reduced the image. Oh, I'm forgetting the tail fin. Let's get that tail fin in there. How about this one? That'll work. Like that. Now, there are more things that we can do, but this is basically just reducing it down. It's got it's simplified and captured the visuals of this first poster. It simplified them and abstracted them, kind of given it a different form. We can see the same images there, but they're close. That's what we're kind of going for, what we want to really get at with this project. Now, there's more that we can do using, let's go with our line tools. Ooh. Oh, cool. You can make a line. Okay. Oh, no. There it is. With our line tools, we can add some decoration to it. Nope, don't want to do that again. Oh, I got to make another line. Okay, that's what it is. There we go. I'll make those red. Just like the detail on the plane. Now, these are the little additions that we're going to have, these details to it. Let's see if we can do a curved line. Ooh, we do have a curved line. Nice. So let's get that curved line in there. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Let's get this curved line in here. Down to about... Ooh, this one's getting rough. Okay, let's delete that. How about... Now notice that these curved lines need These curved lines need connectors so it can connect to things. So we want to connect. Oh, it's on the outside. Interesting. Okay, well, we've got that red line there. And let's add in one last thing. Let's add in some of those dots. Let's see what we got. What can we do for that? Oh, yeah, dot. We can add in some of these details on the planes. There's more details that we can add, but you want to go in and add detail to really kind of simplify the forms that you have into shapes, as we've shown here, and think about the different ways that we can really do things. Those abstract and cubist monster posters especially are going to be very helpful with that. But remember, you want to start by getting the outside shape of the poster first, get all the little details in there, start large and go smaller. That's really what you want to focus on. The more detail you can add, the better. But that's really what we want to focus on with this, is start large and go smaller as you go along. Now for our artist reflection, why did you pick this movie? So let's go to our type tool. Oh, nope. Okay. This I'm going to delete. Oh, there we go. Just got to hit that. Highlight this, delete it, and let's write our response. Airplane is my favorite comedy movie. That's the reason I picked this movie. What shape did you use the most? Let's see. I think it was triangles. Triangles were mostly what I used. Triangles were used the most. And what did you add for detail? The red lines and the smaller shapes. Red lines and smaller shapes were added for detail. I think those are 3 successful answers to our artist reflection, and that is what we'll be working on for this week, artists. Again, choose a movie poster, place it right here on the Google slide, and then start using the shape tools and the line tools to measure out shapes to fit in to make an abstract shape movie poster. Hope you have fun with this project. Have a great day. Goodbye.